Zeliangrong Meet 2024 Delhi. Ủa cặp lắm thế? Hi. Hay khổ hay thế. Program khẩu cả nát quần thế nhỉ? Pi tu na ram gai. Yes. Lakatin na salo si. Nung ai đi nè? Wrong my freshers meet kan ni Hawaii and then aside to outfit. Whoa. Looking so damn. Hawaii. Subscribe to our channel. Come on, John Oga.
Please subscribe John Oga and support him.
Thank you. Azu Dong Ka. Acha. Whoa. Azu ya. Gài thì nghe anh còn đi này cái phải xoay kia program cả hậu cũng gây thế
one and all present here,
introduction round.
distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen, and all of my community members here. My name is Zeliangrong from Zeliangrong district. Like everybody else here, I do not have nothing much to say, but I came here to figure out life. I recently finished my master's in forestry.
Attendees that we have around 20 tribal units under NSUD, among which our Zeliangrong Students Union Delhi also comes under them. So even though I'm not taking up their names particularly, I would like to acknowledge them for coming to our program and for gracing us with their presence. Thank you to all our special invitees. Thank you all the tribal units. Thank you. Sir, thank you.
Hello. Good afternoon, everybody. I thank the Zeliangrong Welfare Association Delhi as well as students, Zeliangrong Students Union Delhi for inviting me to be participating in this very significant event today. There were not even 200 or 300 members of us belonging to the Zeliangrong community in Delhi. Today our population seems to have grown manifold. I guess at least, if not 15, at least 20-fold of the early 90s numbers. Even today we saw so many new faces.
Nếu nhịp cầu vòng là cái lắp tu nên ngoài trọng để nhịp cầu lỏng đấy.
Kau jangan balap aku.
Ừ đó.
Ini ya. Nanti mà
Quốc gian. Hả? Gue jangan
Kau jangan ada. Kau jangan aku jangan.
Gue jangan qua chứ. Guầy ấy, guộc cái ruồi ấy, nai tảng tì.
Rồi pi này là ni bộ. Rồi pi này rồi. Rồi này là rồi pi này rồi.
Thế cái lằng thế.
Không đâu.
Tâm quay mặc à? Wow. Tâm chưa. Lên gần này đồng như thế là đến đồng ấy. Mà nó thế. Mình thôi, nội.
Đi. Anh ra này cùng dia. No, second session है ना ini dah.
RG. You. Cái ba? Thôi. Fortune đó ai u đó sai vào thu đó. Anh đi.
Oh no, how about you udah besar sih Pak?
First session rồi nè, second session còn break team âm đặc có các bạn form gậy chung thế. Photo session.
Come. Going on. You are the boss, yeah.
We then invite this.
Then you guys can come and join this side. Let me sit. Let the moment take care now. This one.
Hello guys. Hey Fortune. Hey. You guys will perform right? Okay, all the best.
Anh sửa cũng lông cái hấp nó lạnh như thế này lông.
Lon à. Fortune. Wow, you changed your hairstyle, bro. Wow.
You know his crew name?
No.
Loose motion crew.
Right.
Oh my god, bro, your skin tone and white color is. We can't compare anymore. It's so.
Miso oppa.
Go back now.
Ah. Facebook tadi nak. Facebook sekian, garage sekian, bikin tadi. Yes, expressing singers here. Aram, awang ku mai tunanai. Jawab lo, hi. Hay đây hay guang ra cái lùng gắt thì gun mì á. À, gutter cơ. Cái lùng gutter cơ. Ta ta ta. Nè, nâng cái outfit gì kìa. Wow, overall leather ni natra. Ai di paints khắc tên nên là ngoài cái đời. How are you feeling coming to this event? Hi, tụi nó sao rồi đi lâu gì? Hai lát sao rồi đi lát xài nuôi để xài găng mà. Good chứ mà mình đâu thải mình á. Nuôi bro cái gì làm cái gì có máy tàu cái. Ai khơi cái lon năng na akang mo amara hay amatang rồi so hay biro. Atuk mo as kara adumay.
Under the theme Zeliangrong Consciousness and Resilience, on 2nd of November at Talkatore Indoor Stadium, President Estate, New Delhi. Well, thank you so very much, dear congregation, for turning up to celebrate this grand Zeliangrong 2024. Let's give a huge round of applause for ourselves. You deserve it. You deserve it. Thank you so much. Well, this evening, I am proud to say that we got to see the best view of the year. Yes. You guys to introduce my partner. His name is none other than Guy Somrai Pangmai. He is from Pulwan village, the birthplace of Haipo Zadonang, the Naga freedom fighter.
Whoa!
And this evening, I'm proud to be a co-host of our Zeliangrong legendary anchor this evening.
Wow, thank you for the sweet words. I'm flattered. And we are gathered here with delighted spirit and pride to celebrate unity and oneness as one community, and to welcome the new faces that are joining us today, the freshers, to strengthen community connections, and also to celebrate and promote and honor our rich, vibrant cultural heritage and traditions. This event is organized to showcase our shared identity as one community, and also to inculcate a sense of belongingness as one community, that is Zeliangrong. And ladies, dance true. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Is Dung Roi Lam. Dung Roi Lam is a dance performed by the Zeliangrong youth during festivals. It falls within the traditional dances categorized as Chapalam. This category of dance is set apart from ritual dances. They are performed on festive occasions purely as expression of joy and merrymaking after the solemn ritual dances have been performed. Literally, Dung Roi La means the dance of Dung Roi. Dung Roi is a rare bird which is admired greatly by the locals for its majestic beauty. This dance is also an expression of the wish among youth to remain ever young and beautiful like the bird Dung Roi. Thank you.
assistant students, the who is who of Zeliangrong alone will not be suffice for 2 buses. We are blessed. So young ones, please take a heart. There is ample opportunities and ample leadership to guide you through the struggling age. You all have come from diverse background, from various state, various village, district, clans and things like that. But Zeliangrong community, Zeliangrong Inpui community as a whole, they are there to guide you. And they're the best leader Zeliangrong people could have. So initially I was reluctant to attend here this program because looking at the presence of the prominent leaders of Zeliangrong, when I see the invitees, special invitees list, I was a bit shaky and nervous because there are so many prominent leaders here. So for me to take the stage, it's a great challenge for me. But by God's grace, today I have stand here. Today I stand here.
A singer, composer, and music enthusiast from Zeliangrong, Nagaland. His most recent hit song, Zeliangrong, in music scene in Rongmai community in particular, and Zeliangrong as a whole. This viral song is being sung like an anthem and well received and loved by young people and all. Even children can sing every line, which speaks volumes about its impact. He's establishing himself as an aspiring solo artist, and we are beyond overwhelmed to have him all the way from Nagaland in our midst to entertain us tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Gai Cham Kamai.
Hello, hello. Sorry in advance. I will be drinking this time to time. Due to lots of traveling these last few days, I'm suffering from cold and sore throat, so forgive me in advance. Hello, hello. We have been shouting this slogan, Zeliangrong Ringtelo, right? So now let's say, I'll say Long Di Mai, and you guys say Ringtelo. Okay, alright? Yes. Ready? Yes. Long Di Mai. Ringtelo. Long Di Mai. Ringtelo. Rasirui. Fingerina. Yeah. Let me perform one popular. My voice on the mic is louder, or you guys all together voice is louder. Let's see, okay, this song. Let's all sing together. Fine. Again, fine.
Now is my program. Another program is not combined. First we might introduce my body. From my name. My name is Mr. Retelong. This photo is very high. Original body is very short. Today, I am very happy. Zeliangrong, girl, boy, grandfather, grandmother, stairs, looking to be very happy. I am first to be student. I also student. Only my class is 10 half. You do not 10 half? Yes. Metric half. Zeliangrong may haga ba may mihina tupui kaya I. Di kumko pramlo sa isina mo makaraya. Zeliangrong mite chusra ikum Delhi kum zade. Ay kay nu the siri Delhi kay nu the. Kay ta tu Zeliangrong may masai sin di the. Tu may Bengali may karan kakaso kay Zeliangrong only Zeliangrong people from the Delhi. I am Delhi country today is first time. My village to starting for the vehicle from the camper. Very, white also very danger. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And the trekking, that's danger. Then Zeliangrong, sleeping. Then Impal, go to Samo. Then second, 1, 2, 3 to me. Impal airport to Delhi. Directly come to this stage. What do you know? Happy or not happy, Zeliangrong people? Happy? Yes, I also full happy. I'll say to me, Delhi English. I say to be not Delhi English, okay? Zeliangrong mixed English speak from the language. Yes, I love you. Then first to be Kumti to be very thank. President, Secretary, first to be thank. Yesterday from the Diwali I go. Diwali to first to be Narendra Modi to very thank you.
阿啥是弄爱的谁？阿谁 volunteer 是咪有กลุ่ม是บ่人家你กลุ่มนี้ดู是บ่ zip มันที่มันกลุ่มนี้嘅มันมีปางเคยดิ่งไทยมีปางเคยดิ่งนี่กี่นี่ก็ไม่นี่ดูแท้กันนำกันทุกกลุ่มบ่ให้เพชรตัวเสียวกลุ่มนี้น่ะเอ๊ะนำกันกลุ่มใช่บ่Hai thế program này lời giải bên thế cũng mà hay rồi đâu cũng mà lời lộ khó. So guys, see you in the next video. Hi. Lời thế bộ rộp thêm sao bấm đu bên thế cũng mà anh yêu làng tàu cay hắn tàu bắn thế. I'm so sorry. Who are you? No idea. New bang tu. Atong blog kang borop theng salo si. Hangay salo sana ni mila. Salo si.
Subscribe to Zeliangrong.
Kuwe.
The one and only Roman YouTuber. Oh, one and only.
Yeah, kung mo din gay tok nai.
One of the Roman YouTuber upcoming.
Mga ko, kung na mga gay ko.